Yes, Amber, we have.
Three, two, one. Okay, that was a shout out from sixth period. Let's keep going. All right, sixth period. Here we go. In the diagram below, we have circle O. It tells us again that term parallel. Because it's parallel, what we know, settle down. Because it's parallel, we know these pieces have to be congruent. So it tells us if the measure of arc CD is 70, what is the measure of AC? So this takes that rule a little bit further. I'm talking by myself and recording. So because those are the same, we're going to put X's there. So now all we do is we know that this is the diameter of the circle because it tells us diameter. So all we're going to do is X plus 70 equals how many degrees? X plus 70 equals how many? How many degrees is in half of a circle? 180. 2x plus 70 is 180. Subtract 110. Divide 55. So the answer is 3. Now, the other thing you could have done is you could have just trialed and error. Well, 110 plus 110, that's 220, which is more than 180. So it's not 1. 70 plus 70 plus 70 is 210, so it's not 2. So you could also have done process of elimination.
Oh, we don't really get that.
Okay, the next one in the diagram below of triangle ABC, side BC is extended to point D. Okay, and then it gives us these measurements. So it tells us that the measure of angle A is X. The measure of angle B is 2X plus 15. The measure of ACD outside is 5X plus 5. And this is the extended angle theorem, which basically says the outside angle, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposing two angles. So all we know is we know that 2x plus x plus 15 equals 5x plus 5. This becomes 3x plus 15, 5x plus 5, subtract 5, subtract 2x, 5 is x. But that's not what it asks for. It asks us to find out. I subtracted 3x from both sides, and I subtracted 5 from both sides. These canceled, and I'm left with that. It says, but look, it has 5 as an answer, so I might think I'm done. But it says, what's the measure of angle B? B is 2x plus 15, so now I've got to put 5 in.
5, 10, 25.
Oh. Yep. So now I know the answer is 25. Excellent job.
What do we decide?
Well, we know that this outside angle equals the sum of these two angles inside. Because a triangle has 180 degrees, and this is the same amount. A line has 180. So first we found out how much x was, and then we took that value and put it in for angle B to find out how many degrees angle B is. Okay, 59. Okay, I got it. I'm going to keep trying to go. When writing a geometric proof, which angle relationship could be used alone to justify congruence? So which one of those alone is congruent? 4 is correct. Vertical angles are congruent. Masa, slam dunk, lady.
Layup, Jimmy Jam, Jam.
All right. Number 60. The coordinates of point A are negative 3A times 4B. So I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to go like have these be A. Here's negative 3A. These are going to be B. So right here, negative 3A, positive 4B. It says if A prime is the image of point A reflected on Y equals X, What are the coordinates of this? Well, y equals x. Remember, all we do is we flip the x and y. That's it. So here would be my line. When we go over here, it would end up being down here. So we just switch it. So it would be 4b, 3a, negative 3a. Choice 1.
Not to mess up your logic, but can I use the bathroom?
Somewhere down
Because she recorded.
Next, 61. Okay, it's very important that we have congruent triangles. So this says congruent. Because it's congruent, I know sides and angles, so I'm going to match it up. So I've got angle C is right here. And then it says angle Y. Well, these don't match up. And I also could look here. C is supposed to match up with letter Z. So it's not 1. Then it says A and X. Well, that works. Here's A is the first one in that triangle. X is the first one in the next one. So I know it's choice 2. Okay. AC would be here. Here's YZ. That wouldn't match up. And then CB. So that's why it's not those. Okay. All right, let's keep going on. 62. Let's see if we can get 2 more questions before the bell. I know. It's 5 minutes till class is over. What is the center? What is an equation of the circle with a radius of 5? And then the center. So we.
1 or 3 because you know it has to be opposite.
Ooh, it's not 1 or 3 because it has to be opposite. And it's not 2 because it's got to be 4 because you got to square it. Too easy. You all better get those circle questions right. All right, let's look at 63. That would be nice. Here we go. Here it says parallel. Because it says parallel, I know I have to have the same slope. So I'm going to eliminate 1 and eliminate 2. So I'm left with 3 and 4. It has to go through this point. So I'm just going to say, well, what's 3 halves times x? Well, 3 halves times negative 2. These cancel. I'm left with negative 3. Does negative 3 equal positive 3? No. So it's not choice 3. It's got to be choice 4. Okay? All right, lovies, we'll stop there.
Yay, lovies.